So I wanted to get back with you and everyone to let you know how the 6950 XT install went. I have this Fractal Design case, and I can't remember what the name of it is, but anyhow, it turns out it was a little too small. It looks like it would hold a 13-inch graphics card, but this graphics card is 13.07, and if you look right here, it is so close. It's so close to making that fan, but what I did temporarily, excuse the cable routing there, I just routed the cables really quick to get it put in and check it out. But the what I did, I just took out that center fan until I could get a new case. That's definitely not a permanent solution. I'd like to do a vertical mount. I would like to do a vertical mount, but I'm going to have to get a kit. I'm going to have to get a kit because I bought this. I bought this case, a Leoncool 215. It has two 200 millimeter fans on the front, which just looks really cool. I'm not really all about the RGB, but I liked the big fans, so I'm going to install that and see how that goes. I think I like it. I really want the vertical GPU mount, so I'm going to buy a adapter for that, and then I'm gonna have to get some more of these here because I only had the two of them, and I mean they're all twisted up. I'll have to train them and get them set up to look nice, but I only had two of these, and this takes this has three 8-pin power converters, or power outlets. So I just threw another one, just a stock one off my Corsair power supply, just to run it. It was just to get this CPU or GPU running. And so I got it running. I really like the GPU. Later on, I'll post some benchmarks, and I will post some gameplay videos. But as for right now, I just wanted to get back and tell you how the install went. And clearly, it's not going to work in that case. So I'm going to take this apart, strip it down, and I might actually make a video of that, transferring cases. I might make a video transferring the case. That might be interesting. So anyways, that's about it.